In this video, I'm going to tell how to use the Google Images without any copyright issue. You need to open Google search, type advanced image search. Okay, then you should open the first link, that is Google advanced image search. Okay, then it will open a form like this. Then you need to mention that what type of images you need to use. Okay, I'm clicking for cat. Okay, here you can adjust the image size. Okay, if you are using it for YouTube, then it is 1024 into 768. Okay, you can select the aspect ratio from here, image color, type of image, okay, photo or clip art, animated. Okay, from which country you need this. Okay, okay, yeah, it is the main one. Yeah, see here, usage rights. Okay, click here, then it will show non-filtered by license, free to share or use, free to use or share even commercially, free to use, share or modify, free to use, share or modify even commercially. Okay, for those who are using for YouTube, then they should click here, free to use or share. Okay, for those who are using it in some of the films or for ad making, they need to click free to use, share even commercially. Okay, 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 click on advanced search. Okay, then it is showing here. These are all the images that you can use without any copyright issues in your videos. Okay, I'm downloading this video. Okay, download image, then it will be downloaded. Thank you.